welcome into another woolly review. Today, Paintbox Yarns Baby DK prints. Only comes in 11 colours. Also, the cheapest I found it was £1.93 on Lovecrafts. I couldn't find it anywhere else apart from on eBay, but on eBay they only had the one colour, otherwise I would have linked that. But still, here we are with 50 grams, 167 metres, 182 yards. It's an acrylic nylon blend, 45 acrylic, 55 nylon, and made in Romania. This colour is Mint Haze Stripe. Now, it's not as subtle as it looks on the screen. It's actually a lot more... No, that still doesn't do it. Oh well. It's a lot more poppy. Lightweight 3 and a 4mm hook. So let's do a review. Now, because this is a prize from August's Woolly Wednesday, I can only do a half swatch because I don't want to ruin it for the winner. So let's give it a go. One too many. Okay, and first row we'll do single crochets. Feels nice in the hand. It feels light, and I would say that it's actually a dead-on DK. You know, it's not a thinner side of DK, it's not an upper side of DK. I would say it's dead-on. And a fair old bit of stretch in it too. If that's your kind of thing. Yep. And one more. And then we'll chain 2 and do half doubles for the next row. Very nice stitch definition. Very nice stitch definition. So half doubles. Nearly there. And in the background, as always, you can see my hanky markers on the left and standard stitch markers on the right, all of which are found in my Etsy store, linked under the details of this yarn below. If you want to go and have a nosy, I'd appreciate it, because it all helps with getting my shop analytics up and getting out there. And heck, if you like something enough, buy it. I even do different clasps depending on what you wish, whether you want lobster, lever back, gold, silver, knitter's ring, knitter's star ring, knitter's heart ring. And if I ever can and you want something changing slightly, and it isn't listed as being able to be changed, all you got to do is ask. Okay. So nearly done with my doubles. Feels nice between the fingers. Feels very, very light. very airy. And again, nice stitch definition. Feels very, very nice on the skin. Very nice. How many yards, meters was this? 182. It's not much. Just winding it up. Just so I can get its belt back on. Oh my gosh, I didn't frog. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just frogged it off camera. I am so sorry. Oh my gosh. Well, it frogged perfectly well. Oh my gosh, I think that's the first time I've done that. And you know what? I'm not going to make up another swatch and frog it again and pretend like it never happened. Not much kinkage. It didn't catch on itself. I did that through a fast frog and it went perfectly fine. No problem at all. I'm just so sorry I didn't do it on camera. Oh my word. Human error. It happens. Unfortunately, I am human. So Paintbox. A lot of people quite like Paintbox. Well, I can see why. So I definitely wouldn't turn it down. And I wouldn't be in a mood if it was the last thing in the shop. I'd definitely have it on my top 10. Would it be my top 5? Yes. I think I'm going to push to a 4.5. I so want a permanent version of this, and I have no idea how to go about it, but one day paper is just going to wear out. Anyway, 4.5. And I think I'm only taking the half mark off because of the price. It is quite expensive for not much yardage. But it feels nice. It's nice to work with. It feels very nice on the skin. It's a shame there aren't that many colours with it. You don't tend to get many colours with Baby. I have no idea why. What does it matter? I'm sure the Baby doesn't care whether they're having fuchsia or pastel blue. But still, anywho, I'm doing the 4.5. Taking the half off for the price to the meterage. But I like it. I like it. Did I say I like it? Maybe you like it too. Let us know down below in your comment. And maybe somebody might come along and say, oh, you've tried it as well. Oh, wonderful. How did you get on with it? Yada, 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 yada. You know, we're all inclusive here. We like to see everybody's opinion, not just mine. But if you do want to come back for another opinion of mine of yarn reviewness, just come back next week. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'm bound to pop up the next time there's a woolly review. Hopefully I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.